Hi friends, today we will learn about cascading referential integrity constraints. In previous part we were discussing how to create the foreign key and primary key, and also we have learned about how to add the default constraints. Let's have a look at this. Here we have already two tables. Just select all and execute. Here this is your TBL gender table and this is your TBL persons tables, and this TBL gender ID, TBL person table of gender ID is the foreign keys which is referred to this TBL gender table of ID columns. If you try to delete this any of this TBL gender ID column, what gonna happens because it is also referred by these tables. Okay, just try to delete where ID is equal to 2 within our TBL gender tables. Just execute. What gonna happen is saying this error. They say the error is the foreign key TBL person gender ID is the error about this foreign key. Okay, just execute. So we cannot delete. By default, the delete rule set to as no accents, and where it is set no accent, just expand your TBL person table, and within your TBL person table you have this key folder, and expand your key folders. You have this foreign key person gender IDs. Okay, and let's double click this and expand this insert and update specifications. Okay, here the delete rule set to no accents, so only we cannot delete this column. Okay, and I want to set this any other options. What is it? Set as default. I select it. Okay, and click close and save your table now, and yes. Okay, now you want to delete this TBL gender table second. Okay, what is this second is referred to this foreign key table, that is CC is also referred the second row, and DD is also referred to second row. And what gonna happen, these two values, just quickly execute our queries. Delete from TBL gender where ID is equal to 2. When I delete this means it will be set as our default values. What is our default values? In our previous sections we are set our default value as 3, I think. Okay, just delete it. What gonna happen? Delete it and select your queries. Okay, our default values are 3, 3, 3. So when I delete these ID columns and when I delete this TBL gender of ID columns, means that default value is always set to our foreign key referred values. Okay, and then our second options is just select and expand our rules, delete rule, and set to other options. What is it? Set null. Okay, and click close and save your table. Click yes. Okay, now you have this two tables which is two rows which is 1 and 3. Is 1 is referred by this king and bubble, and just you want to try our 1th column, means what gonna happen, this one is set to null because we are set our delete rule is set null. So what gonna happen, it will be set as null. What is refer 1? We are trying to delete this one, say first rows, so this refer values this is also set to null because we are updated our delete rule as null. Okay, and execute your queries. What gonna happens, this will be set to null and this first rows will be gone. Okay, in our third rule, what is our third rule? Just double click and expand your insert update, and what is our third option? This is cascade, and click close and save your table and click yes, and you have this only one row, one record. And if you try to delete means what is referred to this gender ID column 3 will be also deleted. Okay, this just quickly look at this. If you delete this means one row is affected, and going to check this all remaining values will be deleted. Okay, that's all today. Have a great day.